Welcome back to the channel. Today, we will be diving deep into a topic that every creator, filmmaker, and aspiring storyteller cares about: video editing. Editing is the stage where raw footage is transformed into engaging, polished, and professional content. It's the part of the process where ideas take shape, stories find rhythm, and videos become powerful enough to hold an audience's attention from the first frame to the very last. But when most people hear video editing, they immediately think of expensive software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or Avid Media Composer. These programs are incredible, but their price tags can be overwhelming, especially for beginners, students, or creators who are just getting started. The good news is that you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars to make professional quality videos. Some of the best tools available today are completely free, offering features that rival and sometimes even surpass their paid competitors. These free editors come in all shapes and sizes. Some are built for professionals who want Hollywood-grade precision. Others are designed for beginners who just want to cut and share quickly. Some shine in visual effects, while others dominate in simplicity or mobile convenience. In this video, we will take a detailed look at the very best free video editing software you can use right now. We will explore where each tool came from, what makes it unique, its strengths and weaknesses, and most importantly, the specific kind of creator it's best suited for. By the end, you will know exactly which free editor matches your needs, whether you are making films, producing YouTube videos, editing TikToks, or simply experimenting with the craft of editing. Let's begin with one of the most powerful free editors on the market: DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve has become something of a legend in the editing world. Developed by Blackmagic Design, this software was originally created as a color grading tool used in Hollywood. For years, DaVinci was known primarily among professional colorists who used it to give blockbuster films their signature looks. Eventually, Blackmagic expanded the tool into a full-fledged non-linear editing system, combining traditional timeline editing with advanced color grading, audio post-production, motion graphics, and even visual effects. Today, DaVinci Resolve is widely regarded as one of the most powerful editing suites available, paid or free. What makes DaVinci Resolve so remarkable is the sheer breadth of features it offers at no cost. You get professional-level editing tools that allow you to cut, trim, splice, and arrange your footage with precision. Its color grading capabilities remain unmatched, giving you fine control over everything from basic exposure adjustments to advanced color correction using node-based workflows. Many professional filmmakers actually use DaVinci Resolve purely for color grading even if they edit elsewhere, because its color science is that advanced. Beyond color, DaVinci Resolve includes Fairlight, a complete audio post-production environment that lets you mix sound with professional clarity. It also offers Fusion, a compositing and motion graphics workspace that allows you to create titles, effects, and even 3D animations directly inside the program. This combination of video, audio, and effects makes it a one-stop shop for almost any editing need. Of course, the downside is that DaVinci Resolve can feel intimidating for beginners. The software is complex, with a steep learning curve that requires patience to master. However, if you are serious about video editing and willing to put in the time, Resolve gives you tools that rival industry standards like Adobe Premiere and Avid Media Composer, all without charging you a cent. Final pick by need, DaVinci Resolve is best for creators who want professional Hollywood-grade tools without paying premium prices. It is perfect for aspiring filmmakers, colorists, and editors who want to learn industry-level techniques. If you are creating short films, cinematic YouTube content, or anything where color and polish matter, this is the software for you. CapCut. CapCut has quickly risen to become one of the most widely used free video editors in the world, thanks to its simplicity, accessibility, and mobile-first design. Developed by ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, CapCut was originally launched as a mobile app designed to help creators edit videos quickly for social media. Over time, it has grown into a full editing platform, available on mobile devices, desktop computers, and even as a web-based editor in your browser. What makes CapCut stand out is its balance of simplicity and power. On the surface, it offers all the basics: trimming, cutting, transitions, filters, and audio editing. But under the hood, it also includes surprisingly advanced features such as keyframe animation, background removal, motion tracking, speech-to-text captioning, and a library of effects and templates. For creators who want to produce polished content fast, CapCut provides drag-and-drop simplicity combined with enough depth to keep up with more complex projects. Another strength is its integration with TikTok and other social platforms. CapCut is optimized for vertical video, making it the go-to choice for short-form creators. Its library of trending sounds, effects, and templates also helps users stay in sync with the latest viral trends, something that more traditional editors do not offer. The learning curve for CapCut is minimal. Beginners can pick it up in minutes, while more advanced creators can explore its deeper tools as needed. While it may not replace DaVinci Resolve or Lightworks for feature-length films, it is unmatched for social media workflows. Final pick by need. CapCut is best for social media creators, influencers, and anyone producing content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. If speed, convenience, and staying on top of trends matter to you, CapCut is the editor you'll want to keep in your toolkit.
HitFilm Express.
HitFilm Express, developed by F-Home, is another powerhouse in the world of free editing software. It occupies a unique space because it combines video editing with visual effects, offering features that appeal especially to creators interested in action films, YouTube skits, or content that requires more than just cutting clips together. One of HitFilm Express's strongest points is its visual effects library. Even in the free version, you gain access to a wide range of VFX tools that make it possible to add explosions, muzzle flashes, energy effects, and other cinematic flourishes to your projects. This makes it especially popular among younger creators who want their projects to look like Hollywood blockbusters without expensive CGI budgets. The editing tools in HitFilm Express are solid, supporting traditional timeline editing, multiple tracks, transitions, and export options for popular formats. It also integrates well with motion graphics, allowing you to create titles, compositing layers, and animations. The free version does place some restrictions on advanced features, with additional packs available as paid add-ons, but the core functionality is robust enough for most independent creators. The learning curve for HitFilm Express is moderate. Beginners will find the interface approachable, but those who want to dive deep into effects may need to spend extra time learning the workflow. Thankfully, F-Home provides a wealth of tutorials, and the community around HitFilm is active and supportive. Final pick by need. HitFilm Express is ideal for creators who want to mix traditional editing with visual effects. If you're producing short films with action sequences, gaming content, or creative YouTube videos that need more than just cuts and transitions, HitFilm Express is the way to go.
Lightworks.
Lightworks is a name with a long history in professional editing. It has been around since the late 1980s and has been used in the post-production of major Hollywood films, including classics like Pulp Fiction and The King's Speech. Over time, Lightworks transitioned into the consumer market, offering a free version alongside its paid professional edition. What sets Lightworks apart is its professional pedigree. The editing tools are built with film editors in mind, providing precise control over trimming, cutting, and arranging footage. It supports multicam editing, advanced project sharing, and a wide range of file formats. While some of the more advanced export options are limited in the free version, Lightworks still provides enough functionality for YouTubers, students, and independent filmmakers. Lightworks has a unique interface that can feel unusual to beginners. It emphasizes keyboard shortcuts and efficient workflows, which can be disorienting at first but become extremely powerful once mastered. If you are serious about editing and plan to transition into professional work, learning Lightworks can give you a head start because its tools and philosophy are so close to industry standards. Final pick by need. Lightworks is best for creators who want to develop professional editing skills. If you're aiming for a career in film or television, or if you want to learn the techniques that professional editors use every day, Lightworks is a fantastic starting point.
Shotcut.
Shotcut is a free, open-source video editor that has gained popularity for its flexibility and wide range of features. Unlike some other free editors, Shotcut is not a stripped-down version of a paid product. It is a full program maintained by a dedicated community of developers. Shotcut's interface is modular, meaning you can customize the layout to suit your workflow. It supports a wide range of video formats thanks to its use of FFmpeg, and it includes features like 4K support, native timeline editing, and a broad collection of filters and effects. While it may not have the polish of commercial software, Shotcut offers surprising depth, including advanced features like chroma keying, audio mixing, and even GPU acceleration. One of Shotcut's strengths is accessibility. Because it is open source, there are no hidden paywalls or limitations. You get the full program for free, with updates provided regularly by the community. The downside is that the interface can feel less intuitive compared to polished commercial products, and documentation can sometimes be sparse. Still, the program has an active user base that shares tutorials and advice online. Final pick by need. Shotcut is perfect for creators who value open-source software and flexibility. If you want a free tool with no restrictions, and you're comfortable exploring and customizing your workflow, Shotcut is an excellent choice. It's also great for creators who need broad format support or want to edit 4K footage without paying for premium tools.
OpenShot.
OpenShot is another open-source video editor, designed with accessibility in mind. Its interface is clean and beginner-friendly, making it one of the easiest editors to start with if you've never cut a video before. OpenShot provides all the basic editing tools you need: cutting, trimming, transitions, titles, and audio editing. It also supports keyframe animation, unlimited tracks, and 3D titles, which give it more depth than you might expect from such a simple program. While it is not as feature-rich as DaVinci Resolve or Lightworks, OpenShot's simplicity is its strength. Because it is open source, OpenShot is available on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and it receives regular updates. However, performance can sometimes be inconsistent, especially with larger projects or high-resolution footage. This makes it better suited for smaller projects, educational purposes, or beginner content creation. Final pick by need, OpenShot is best for beginners. If you're just learning to edit and want a free tool that won't overwhelm you with complexity, OpenShot is the way to go. It's perfect for school projects, personal videos, and small-scale YouTube content.
Blender.
Blender might surprise some people on this list, because it is best known as a 3D modeling and animation tool. However, Blender also includes a built-in video sequence editor that provides a range of editing features. This makes it unique, because it combines video editing with the ability to create 3D content, animations, and visual effects, all within one program. The video editor in Blender includes cutting, splicing, transitions, color grading, audio mixing, and speed control. While it is not as intuitive as dedicated editors, it is powerful enough for many projects. The real strength, however, lies in combining video with Blender's 3D tools. You can create animated titles, visual effects, or entire 3D sequences and then edit them directly in the same software. The learning curve for Blender is steep, especially if you dive into its 3D capabilities. But for creators who want to push boundaries and explore animation alongside editing, Blender is unmatched. Final pick by need, Blender is best for creators who want to combine video editing with 3D animation and visual effects. If you're interested in animation, motion graphics, or experimental content, Blender gives you tools that no other free editor can match. iMovie. For Mac users, iMovie is often the first stop on their editing journey. Developed by Apple, iMovie comes pre-installed on most Mac devices and offers a clean, user-friendly editing environment. iMovie provides all the basics: cutting, trimming, transitions, and titles. It also includes templates and themes that make it easy to create polished videos quickly. The interface is simple and intuitive, which makes it perfect for beginners. While iMovie lacks advanced features like multicam editing or detailed color grading, it integrates seamlessly with other Apple products. You can easily move projects between iMovie and Final Cut Pro, or share directly to platforms like YouTube and Vimeo. Final pick by need, iMovie is best for Mac users who want a simple, beginner-friendly editor. It's perfect for family projects, school assignments, or basic YouTube videos. If you're just starting out and you own a Mac, iMovie gives you everything you need without requiring additional downloads. VSDC Free Video Editor. VSDC is a Windows-only free editor that offers a surprising amount of power. It supports non-linear editing, meaning you can place clips anywhere on the timeline rather than being restricted to a single track. It also provides advanced features like color correction, visual effects, motion tracking, and even screen recording. The interface of VSDC can feel a bit dated compared to more modern editors, but its functionality is impressive. It handles a wide range of formats, supports 4K editing, and offers export options optimized for different devices and platforms. VSDC is particularly popular among Windows users who want advanced features without paying for Adobe Premiere or Sony Vegas. While some features are reserved for the Pro version, the free edition is still one of the most capable editors available at no cost. Final pick by need, VSDC is best for Windows users who want advanced editing features without spending money. If you're working on complex projects and you need tools like motion tracking or advanced effects, VSDC delivers a lot of power for free.
Conclusion.
The world of free video editing software is broader and more powerful than most people imagine. From Hollywood-grade tools like DaVinci Resolve to beginner-friendly apps like iMovie and OpenShot, there's an editor for every type of creator. If you're chasing cinematic precision, DaVinci Resolve is unbeatable. If you want action-packed effects, HitFilm Express has you covered. If you're training for the professional editing world, Lightworks is the perfect stepping stone. For open-source lovers, Shotcut and OpenShot provide flexibility and freedom. For Mac users, iMovie makes editing simple and seamless. For Windows creators, VSDC offers surprising depth and advanced tools. Blender stands out with its unique combination of editing and 3D animation. And finally, for the fast-paced world of short-form content, CapCut is the king. No matter which one you choose, remember that editing software is just the tool. The real magic happens with the editor, the storyteller, who knows how to use those tools to craft something worth watching. With these free options, professional quality editing is now within everyone's reach. That's it for today's video on the best free video editing software. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about which editor you'll be using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.